Oh no! Where is your dog?
He ran away. I can't find him.
Don't worry, maybe we can find him together. Can you tell me what he looks like?
He is small, brown, with a white spot on his tail. Very playful.
Okay, let's start looking. Don't worry, he can't go far. Excuse me, have you seen a small brown dog? I think I saw him near the fountain a few minutes ago. Thank you! Was he running or walking? He was running very fast!
Oh dear, he is really fast. Let's set that.
Don't worry, we can catch him if we go slowly.
Hide! I saw him jump over the bench near the fountain!
Thank you so much! Let's go there!
I hope he is okay.
He will be fine. Dogs are smart. Come on! Max, come here. Don't be afraid.
Oh no, he is looking at the bird again. He will run away.
Max, look at me. It's okay, you are safe. You are safe. See? You are a good dog. Come to me slowly.
I can't believe he is so fast. Thank you for helping me.
Of course. I like dogs. Don't worry, Max will be safe soon. There you are, Max! We found you!
Oh, thank you so much. I was so worried.
He is fine now. Look, he is happy and safe.
Yes, you are right. He is a clever dog.
Clever and very fast. I like him.
I am very grateful. Can I give you some water for your walk?
Thank you. That would be great.
Let's sit here for a moment. You saved the day, Anna.
We found Max together. He is the hero.
Yes, the little hero.
Oh no! My wallet is gone! Don't worry. Let's check the security cameras. Okay. I hope it's still here.
Did you check the floor?
Yes, I looked everywhere. I can't find it.
Maybe we can find it together.
Here it is, on the shelf near the drinks. Thank you so much. I'm so relieved. I'm so happy! I thought it was lost forever. I'm glad we found it. Enjoy your day. See? Everything is okay now.
Oh no, it's raining. I need my umbrella, but where is it? I can't go like this. I'll get wet. Can I help you? Here, take my umbrella. Thank you so much. That's very kind.
Oh no! Watch out!
Be careful. Don't fall.
Thank you. You saved me.
I'm finally home. It's warm and cozy. It was a rainy day, but I am safe now.
Wow, look at all these cakes. Which one should I choose? Can I help you? These are our special cakes today. Oh, what's this one? That's chocolate cream cake. It's very popular. Oh no, I dropped a cookie. Don't worry, I'll help you. Thank you so much. I'll take this one. It looks delicious. Great choice. Enjoy. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Wow, so many books here. Where should I start?
I need a book about animals.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, is this yours?
Oh, sorry. I didn't see your name. Where can I find books about animals?
They are on the second shelf over there.
I'll take this one. It looks perfect.
Great choice. Enjoy reading.
Thank you for your help. I really learned a lot.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Where should I sit? Oh, this seat is free.
Hello, young man. Is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Please sit.
Thank you very much. Oh no, my book fell.
Can I help you?
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
Where are you going today?
I'm visiting my friend. And you?
I'm going to the library to study.
Thank you for your help. Have a nice day. You're welcome. Safe journey.